Welcome back everybody, this is PopShopSweets and today I'm going to show you how to make fondant decorations with silicone molds. If you haven't seen my previous videos on how to roll perfect cake pops and dip and decorate them, click on the links below. In today's video, you're going to need some type of cornstarch, the silicone molds, food-safe gloves, a very sharp small knife, a piece of wax paper, and any color fondant you want to use. There are hundreds of silicone molds available online and at local craft stores to buy, but you can also make your own molds with the mold making kit and any little decorations you want to mold. To begin, you want to take a piece of your fondant and knead it in your hands until it's soft enough to work with. Next, you want to have your cornstarch in a little container where you can easily access it. I'm going to start off using this frame mold, and the technique I'm going to use is to roll my fondant into a snake-like shape. And while I do this, I'm going to tap a little bit of cornstarch on the fondant to make sure it won't stick inside the mold. You want to push the fondant into the mold enough for it to fill the area and not have any excess fondant around the edges, and do this until the entire mold is filled. I always put a little cornstarch on the mold when I'm finished to make sure the fondant won't stick on the surface I'm going to lay it on. To take out the fondant, you want to release the edges like this and then sort of peel it out of the mold while keeping the mold close to the table. Now, I'm going to make the frame again using a different technique. I'm going to squeeze the fondant in, leaving a lot of excess fondant around the edges. When all the mold is filled, I'm going to take the mold towards the edge of the table and use that really sharp knife to cut the excess off with a back and forth motion. And again, we have a nice soft surface, and I'm just going to peel out the frame onto the table. You want to make sure you store your fondant in airtight containers or Ziploc bags so that they don't dry out. Now I'm going to use this red fondant to press into the bow mold and use the same method with a knife to cut off the excess. Remember to always use a little cornstarch on your fondant to make sure it doesn't stick on the inside of the mold. Always remember to have a gentle hand when peeling the fondant out from the mold to make sure you don't ruin the shape or damage the decoration. Another technique I'm going to use with this flower mold is to slowly swipe away the excess fondant. To remove little decorations like this, if you tap on the mold hard enough upside down, you can just pop out the fondant. These little decorations can be made so quickly and easily. They're great details for little desserts. that's all. Simple and easy fondant decorations to use on any dessert. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like and subscribe. Leave your comments down below to let me know what other videos you'd like to see.